Hello friends, welcome back to Mitahara Kitchen. Let's look at how to make home-ground fresh sambar powder, and using this sambar powder, we will make white pumpkin sambar. You can also buy the sambar powder from any Indian store, but with homemade sambar powder, preservatives and other chemicals can be avoided, and obviously a very healthy choice. This sambar powder can be stored for 10 to 12 months based on the usage. The homemade sambar powder is the most basic and important ingredient in making sambar. We will start with roasting all the spices and then make it to fine powder using the mixer. The sambar powder recipe that I am sharing is a very authentic Tamil version of sambar powder that my mother have perfected over the years of cooking. The measurement of ingredients plays a key role in the making of a good sambar powder. You can opt less spicy chilli or reduce the amount of dry red chillies for keeping the sambar less spicy. Alright, let's use the homemade sambar powder to make a delicious white pumpkin and eggplant sambar. If you are not using the pressure cooker, put the soaked dal in a large pan, adding 6 cups of water in the ratio of 1:6 and cook uncovered for 30 to 40 minutes or until the dal is very mushy. This dish is an excellent source of protein and fiber for vegetarians. Sambar makes a perfect and healthy combination for dosa, idli, vada apart from sambar rice. Please check out the description of this video to know the benefits of sambar and links to buy the ingredients. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.